What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are gonna be cooking with Shay. So I'm going to be making some saltfish cakes, or you could call it fish cake. You're gonna need some saltfish or codfish. You're gonna need some green onions. You're gonna need some regular onion. You're gonna need some hot pepper. You're also gonna need some salt, and you're gonna need some flour, and you're gonna need some black pepper. Be sure when you're chopping the hot pepper to have on gloves. So I'm just going ahead and adding some more flour because my mouth started watering and I realized that this probably wouldn't be enough fish cake, so I added some more flour and then I'm adding the salt. And the salt is pretty much for the flour because even if the saltfish is a little salty, you want to still add some salt. And prior to this, I did boil the saltfish once and I soaked it overnight. I threw out the water once and then I added some more water, and in the evening I threw out the water and then I boiled it, and that was it. Pretty much all the salt was out. And this, I'm using the bonus saltfish also. So I'm just going ahead and I'm taking all the ingredients and I'm just putting it in the flour. And as you can see right here, I'm just checking to make sure it's in pieces, and I'm also checking to see if it has any bone, because I know it says that it's boneless saltfish, but it's fish, so there's always a bone somewhere. So I'm just double checking it. And my son is like, "Mommy, what are you making?" And I'm like, "I'm making saltfish cakes." And he's like, "Oh, what's this?" And I'm like, "It's black pepper. You know this already. Can I add it in, Mommy? Can I do it? Can I do it?" And I'm like, I don't know if that's a good idea. So I'm just going ahead and adding the saltfish in. And then I go ahead and I add some black pepper. Okay, after adding the black pepper, I'm just gonna mix all the ingredients together. And then I'm going to be adding some water gradually. You don't want to add too much water at once. So you want to gradually add it and then mix, gradually add some more and then mix. I'm going to show you what you want it to be like you want it to be like pancake mix, but not too runny but still not too thick either. So I'm just mixing it around, double checking to make sure I don't see any bones popping up, and then I'm going to add the water. So just take a look and you'll see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so this right here, this is the consistency that you want. As you can see, it's not too runny and it's a little thick. It's just right. This is what you're going for. And then I started adding the fish cakes to the batter. As you can see, the oil isn't as hot as it needs to be yet, but I just couldn't wait, so I just started adding them. But it got hot real quick, so it worked out. But try to add the fish cakes in only when the oil is hot enough. So I'm just gonna cook it 5 minutes on each side, or until it's like golden brown, until it's the color that I want it to be. And then I'm just going to be draining it on the side to get rid of the excess oil. And that's pretty much it. These are the fish cakes, and they're gonna be, well, they turned out delicious. So yeah, just continue watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you guys enjoy my Caribbean cooking, definitely be sure to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and tell me to do more of these videos for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Enjoy the rest. Bye bye.